How long after a bankruptcy do you have to wait before you can get a mortgage? Hi, I'm Darrell Castle. I'm an attorney licensed to practice law in the state of Tennessee. And the answer to that question is it depends on what type of mortgage you're seeking. An FHA and VA loan, the two most common types of loans now, you have to wait 2 years after a Chapter 7 discharge before you can qualify for one of those mortgages. But in Chapter 13, which is a reorganization and repayment of at least a portion of your debt, you can actually get an FHA loan while you're in a Chapter 13. You have to make 12 successful, satisfactory payments in a row in order to qualify, and then you have to get court permission to do that. They're going to ask you to explain the bankruptcy and so forth, but it should be doable for you. Now, for conventional mortgages, it's a little bit harder. For a Chapter 7, which is a total bankruptcy or a liquidating bankruptcy, Chapter 7 conventional mortgage requires 4 years wait after discharge. A Chapter 13, if you pay it all the way out to conclusion, it only requires 2 years. But if you don't, if your Chapter 13 is dismissed before discharge, then it requires a 4-year wait as well for a conventional mortgage. Once you meet these waiting periods, you still have to qualify for the loan. So you still have to be credit worthy. That's why it's very important to get yourself in a credit rebuilding program such as 7 Steps to 720. That's very important. But let's say that you don't want to qualify. If you look in your Sunday paper, every Sunday you'll find many non-qualifying assumable loans. Loans you can buy from someone else who got a non-qualifying loan. All you need to get those loans is a little bit of money for a down payment, so it's in your best interest to save that money, make a down payment, take over a non-qualifying loan. That is the best way to not qualify, is to get a non-qualifying assumable loan. Hello, I'm Darrell Castle. I'm an attorney licensed to practice law in the state of Tennessee. And if you have bills you can't pay, you're behind on your mortgage or other things like that, I'd love to talk with you about it. I'd love to explain our credit repair, credit rebuilding program, 7 Steps to a 720. If you want to talk about those things, folks, call me for a free appointment or contact me at the Get in Touch form on this page.